Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the last part of Module 1 in Practical Numerical Methods for Scientists and Engineers. Today we will discuss input and output functions in MATLAB. So now suppose that we want to add or to insert some values but as input. So input function prompt the users for values directly from the command window, and its syntax is n equal inputs, and you can put syntax here. Similarly, output can be displayed as a values or string, and its syntax is display variable or display syntax. Let's try it on MATLAB. So here in MATLAB, for example, if I put a equal 2, so it's become 2. Okay, now suppose that you want to tell the user to put the value. For example, you can say a equal input, okay, parenthesis, please put the a value. Okay, now he asked me please put the input value. So if I said 2 or 3, notice here a here is 2, so if I put here 3, so now change to 3 again. Let's do clear and then CLC. Okay, now suppose that we can say a equal input Okay, suppose that I want to calculate the area of a circle. So put the radius. Okay, and then equal okay. So now, oh, I have a mistake here. So what's the mistake? Equal input put. I didn't close. I didn't should quote here. Okay, I put here instead double quote. Okay. Okay, this is correct. So now put the radius. So suppose it will be 3. Now a is identified as 3. Now we can say here area equal by times r is the radius, so it's a squared. Okay, so the area has been calculated as 28.27. So this is the input. So now you may find it's not very useful here, but it will be useful when you want to create like a script software or script. So later we will use it to put script software or script program to put inputs and calculate the outputs. Okay, similarly for the output we can use this display. Okay, we can say here put hello. Okay, so it's shown as hello. Okay, also we can combine, we can say display for this display a, so it come 3. Okay, suppose that you want to combine some word and also value. So here this. Okay, now we should put it's become a vector, so we should put here, okay, the area of circle is, okay, then comma. Now I want to put a, okay, well, no, not a, area, but area here is number. So since you started by a vector here, you can't put it as a number, so you have to convert this number into a string, or I mean into word. So it will be, we can use num st num string. This is to convert value, sorry, num to number to string str. Okay, then here we should put the value. What's the value I want to indicate? It's area. Okay, then close it. Okay, then close the brackets, then close the display. So now the area of the circle is 28.2743. Okay, let's back again to slides. Now let's practice. Insert the circle diameter, and in display the area is a. So try to do it by yourself, and we already did it on MATLAB. Just try to test yourself. Okay. Also, we have another useful function. It seems a little bit complicated, but it's easy. It's not complicated. So here, it's fprintf. Fprintf. So in fprintf, the advantage of fprintf, you may have 2 or 3 or 4 5 multi. For display we use for 1 or 2 only, but for fprintf it's easy, and also you can control the format. We will explain it here. So here we can use fprintf, and then the area of the circle is, then we want to put something here. We want to put the number, so figure, so we put, this is a percentage value, and f, then space centimeter. Okay, then I end the function by slash n, or I mean left division, and then n and apostrophe. Then what I should put here, what is missing here, this will be a. Okay, so when I perform, it will be the area of the circle is 1963 blah 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 centimeter. Okay, suppose that the advantage, I want to make the significant figures only to 4, or I mean to 2 decimal. So here fprintf area of the circle is, here f figures I will put only 0.2 figures. That means I wanted to control the figures to be only decimal. Okay, so here it will be 19.65. Suppose that I want it without no decimal. I don't want any decimal, so just put it as 0.0 figures. So it will be, the area of the circle is 20 something. Okay, so here the advantage, you can put any. So let's try it on MATLAB. Okay, here home. Okay, okay, now if printf, then we can say the area of the circle, okay, that has a radius. So I want to put a radius first, so percentage, then 0.2 f, 2 decimal, as, and then percentage again 0.2 f. Okay, so here I wrote it like this. Then I want to close, so this, I can add centimeter, for example, or meter, or whatever the value. Then let's backslash, then n dash n apostrophe. So now the sentence is complete, so I want to add. So the first one will be a. Okay, the area, we have area and area, so the first one will be a, then comma area, and then close. Okay, now it tells me I have some mistake. Let's check. I should read what is here, what mistake I have. So okay, the mistake I did, so after the n apostrophe I should make a comma. Let's do it. So here should be comma. Okay, okay, here okay, f print f. Okay, a dot area. He okay, he use unused function variable f print f. F print f. I don't know what is, okay, here I forget to input t, so that's why he couldn't, so he automatically fix it. Yes, okay, so now it's become correct. The area of the circle has a radius 3 is 28.27 centimeter. Okay, so as you can see, f print f, maybe it's more flexible and more easy than the display function. So let's go here back again. Okay, so we have also other different functions, like for example, if instead of percentage f, we can percentage s. So this to print a string, or to print I mean to print some words. Okay, also c is for single character, d is for the whole number if you want to whole number. If that what we used before is to print floating point number. Point 2 is number with 2 decimal. Point 1 number with 1 decimal. Point 0 number with no decimal or as integer. And of course we put left division and n to print a new line. That means to prevent showing the prompt command. Thank you so much. We finished today module 1 of MATLAB, and see you in module 2 soon inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.